Hello guys, in this video tutorial we are going to learn what are the logical operators in Python. So let's start. Just open with code, then I'm going to create a new file over here, use7.py. Then what we are going to learn today, logical operator in Python. So what are the logical operator? They are used to perform logical operations on the Boolean values. Means those to perform logical operation on true, false. These are the logical Boolean values, two Boolean values, 0 or 1, or we say true or false. So the first logical operator is AND operator. It returns true only when both the values are true. So let's see the example. A equal to true, B equal to false. So what will be the result? Let's say we have a variable result equal to A and B, and we print out the result. So what will be the result? It will be false because we have stored true in A and false in B, and we are performing AND operation on A and B. So let's run the program. Let's see what will be the output. The output is false. Let's say, comment it out. I store true in B, then see the results. It will be true. So this is the AND operator. Let's see the next operator. The next operator is OR operator. So let me copy this code, uncomment it. So this is uncommented code. So what we are going to learn, OR operator. We simply use OR, two words, to define the OR operator. So OR operator return true, return true if both values, if one value from both values is true. Otherwise, it return false. So let's say we have one value. If we have stored a value true in A and false in B. So let's see the results. So we have to perform our operation on it. So run it again and check it. So it returned true. The one value is false and other is true. The one value is true, other is false. So our operation returned true. And the next operation we have is NOT operation. Let me comment it for you. So the next operation is NOT operation. NOT operation is basically invert value. It invert the value. It return the opposite we have stored in the variable. Let's say I have stored true in A and I will perform NOT on A, then it will return false. So let's see. I run it. So it will return false. So if I stored false in it, so it will return true. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.